All right, so we are at Kevin B. Lofton Park in Belmont, North Carolina. We have our Pelicans that we got on sale at Dick's Sporting Goods for $200 a piece.
Less than that, but
yeah, I think they were less than that, but they're two-piece, but they're pretty nice. I think 10-foot, 11-foot kayaks. Then we had the dual field and stream rack, which seems to be pretty good so far. We didn't lose the kayaks coming down the road, so I guess that's all that really matters. And yeah, we're gonna get them down, get them set up, see how they do. We're all set. Gonna go hit the water. Well, it didn't sink.
Well, we're in the water, and my boat is not sinking.
They're not sinking.
Huh?
I got these fancy shoes too.
My shoes are better.
Probably they got flamingos on them.
Woo.
All right, well we're gonna get some action turned up. I'm gonna have to jump in the water in a minute though, because it is hot.
All right, let me record you for a second. Do you love your boat right now? You about lost your paddle?
Yep.
We do need to get one of those clips. Yes. I would recommend if you get one of these boats, it doesn't have like a paddle clip.
It doesn't have a really good place to put the paddle.
No, but that's why I say you can get a clip and it'll keep it from floating away.
This back stash is really hard to
use?
Access when you're actually on the water. But
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
I'm glad it's there.
Yeah. Well, if we decided to do a day trip, we could put a cooler under that and come out and then find somewhere like right here. You can see where it's like kind of shady underneath the train tracks. We could come out. So anyway, do you think we can make it all the way down there and back? I think I can make it down there. It's downstream, but coming back might be a struggle now.
Let's row to where we put in at, and
Okay.
then we'll talk about it.
All right, I'm gonna put y'all. You're going in my vesty area. because we really need a suction cup. Let me try to, let's see how this works. A little bit of a weird view because you get to see my fat legs, but
How you feel about it?
it's actually a nice day. It's hot, but there's a nice little breeze. Water's cool.
Yeah.
Got some Jack Johnson.
And the
Not
water.
a great speaker though.
The water is so deep.
What's deeper?
And we need to buy that house.
It's a nice house.
Ooh.
All right, let's paddle.
right.
Apparently we can paddle to the Whitewater Center from here.
Show me your paddling skills. Woo! So graceful.
I know, right?
So graceful. Love you, babe. Happy anniversary.
Oh, that's right. Happy anniversary.
Okay, so while we were talking shit about that speaker earlier, you know, 90% of the faulty equipment is user error. She didn't know how to turn it up. Now let it play. It's perfect.
Okay, it is.
Perfect.
And it has a suction and a little clippy, but in my defense, the plus button should mean up. But when you push the plus button, you have to hold it. I didn't read the directions.
So it's actually a pretty good speaker.
Yeah,
but
this is gonna
we'll
be good.
see.
And it was like $10.
Yeah.
So.